There we go. All right. So what this is a stream that I put on. Let me just there we go. Let me just move you up here, fireman.
Okay.
Hey, fireman. Um,
Hello.
so basically, what I'm doing is it's something I've been thinking for a while is a little talk show kind of podcasty stream kind of thing that we do, kind of as a group. I call it site trunking. Um, it's
I
just
like
base.
it.
It's just basically a place for people to drop in, ask questions, um, maybe get support if they need it. It's something for me to do. It's something I want to do for CTRS, and it's the thing that's keeping me kind of
Hey,
hooked
free
in.
meal?
Hello.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Can you
So
hear
right.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. No, that was
Oh,
just somebody on DMR keying up.
oh,
Not our DMR, ham DMR.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because I've got my hotspot going for ham right now, but I'm gonna be modifying WPSD, which is the successor, one of the successors to Pi-Star. I'm gonna see if I can
Oh,
modify the OS to allow both MMDVM and DVM host, so that they don't clash with each other. So, like, you could have one board on MMDVM, one board on CTRS is what I'm trying to do.
I didn't know Pi-Star had a successor. So there's another digital hotspot person out there.
WPSD is what I'm using.
I'll have to check that out.
Yeah, it's an up to date Pi Star basically. I really like it. It's basically Pi Star Plus.
Oh, okay.
It's what it
W3 PSD?
No, it's WPSD. If you look at my stream,
WPSD.
if you look at my
Okay.
stream, I'm running the dashboard right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my stream's got the dashboard running right now, and it so this is the dashboard that you get when you load it up, and so you can see it just shows everybody who's been keying on my hotspot.
WP WPSD is also a news station near Kentucky.
Yes, we're looking, just like
Um,
look for WPSD ham radio.
yeah, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have to download that and check it out.
Yeah, and it comes in a Raspberry Pi image, so it makes it really easy just to flash it with Raspberry Pi Imager.
Oh yeah, WPSD project. Next generation digital voice software suite and distribution for ham use.
Yep.
It supports M17, DMR, D-Star, Yasu Fusion, P25, NXDN, and POXOG data paging. Okay,
Yep.
I'm gonna check this out.
Yeah, this thing's really cool. Like it allows you to hook up to any of the DMR networks, so like Brandmeister
Yeah,
or whatever DMR network you use. Then it allows you to also hook into P25 reflectors, D-Star reflectors, all that stuff.
sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out
Yeah,
and
and then
replace Pi-Star maybe.
uh, what my next um, what my next thing to do is, let me actually SSH to it. Damn it. Uh oh. Dell Dell that, and then do that.
So while I got you alone, I want to ask your opinion.
Hold on. We're not alone. Anybody else can can come in at any time. So if you want to truly be alone, just DM it.
Sorry. Okay.
And it's also because what we're talking about right now is being streamed and recorded. So.
Oh, okay, I got you. Don't
Yeah,
worry about it.
I don't want that. I don't want to have to
No, you're
either
good.
cease the stream or mute the stream.
You're fine.
Okay, if you want me to, I can mute the stream and do that stuff.
No, it's no big deal. I just wanted your opinion on something that occurred today, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Let's wait. Let's see here. And then that is the password. Oh no, this is I gotta do this. Let's do password first. So that, this thing is password isn't fucking Raspberry. And then I want to do get. Okay, we have get, so that means I need to come over here and do. Let's see here. We do. What is the next thing? Oh yeah. DVM host. I need to get DVM host. Code. Copy. Get clone. And then I'm gonna need DAVM firmware HS. When was the last commit? 2 months ago, which would be the latest release. So copy link. App install ST. Oh, I've already got STM32 flash. Okay. CD DVM host. CMake. Okay. So I need to run the dependencies.
I'm listening.
Because if I could have one hotspot do both DMR and P25.
That would be cool.
Because I mean, I was able to do it back in the day on Pi-Star. It's just that they couldn't run concurrently.
Yeah.
But now that I've got two hotspots, one that's external, and hell, I've got another third one coming today. I've got a third hotspot board coming today.
A couple myself.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm right on the fringe of wide area coverage, so I mean, I've got the dispatch console, so it's like no big deal. I can just use the dispatch console, but
I'm gonna try this WPSD thing. I'm getting an extra SD card now. Because actually, if I'm using Pi-Star, all I need to do is switch out SD cards, right? I can keep the same Pi and hat?
Yeah, you just switch SD cards, but you'll have to swap firmware on the hat.
Oh, damn.
which isn't.
I have another hat. I'll just use that.
That's see what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do same OS, two hats because they're different, Linux descriptors. I should be able to use them at the same time. Where WPSD is using one for ham stuff, for ham shit, should be able to tell DVM host to use the other one for either DMR T3, which is what I'm working on trying to get working. But the big thing that hasn't gone around much is that I'm going to be putting a DMR repeater up at PMA next time, tier 2, because tier 2 only, because I doubt that any of the hams with their little Baofeng, Xinghu, whatever the hell they're called, radios, I'm pretty sure they don't have cap max. And I'll bet they won't do tier 3.
No.
Like, even normal T3, I doubt that it will do T3. But then the problem becomes I have to find I mean, duplexer I'm not worried about. Nix can get me a duplexer. We've got the extra antenna line. I would just have to get a antenna and what's it called? An antenna and the connectors for the heliax. Because I think it's 7/8 heliax that we have. I'm pretty sure that it's 7/8 heliax that we have at PMA. I'm pretty sure. Because that was Juan who gave us that big old wrap of heliax for free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, he drove all the way down from where he was at the time down to Austin just to drop it off, and I was like, damn, you didn't have to do that, especially like $1,000 a heliax, because it was like 200 feet of heliax.
Shit.
And we've still got another, I think, 75 foot of it left.
Good on him.
So yeah, if it wasn't, yeah, we wouldn't have the kind of coverage we did without that kind of cable, because otherwise we'd be using fucking LMR, and yeah. I mean, not there is LMR in line with this stuff, but it's mostly in shelter, because
I use LMR for my house for 2-meter 440 at my house.
Yeah, I use LMR at my house for 2-meter 440 as well. I mean, I would probably, like, if I want to make it more permanent, like when I get a tower, I'm gonna run heliax up the tower, but that's just because I'm fucking crazy. Let's see here. CD build, CMake. Oh, sudo apt install CMake. 5x5. Of course, I can't see my dispatch console because I need another monitor. 5x5. 5x5. I must be getting timed out. Hold on.
Yeah, it took about a second or two.
I think it's because it's wave. And it's also coming from the Astro system. Test 1 2. Sorry.
All right.
You should be able to get in now. There you go.
sounding good, 1528. 9037. That wasn't me the first time. That was lastation. I think using Wave.
I'm not using Wave.
It came across as the Wave Talk Group 4050.
I'm using dispatch console.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm using the dispatch console. Now I've got to swap back my input. There we go. So I can do this.
WPSD project.
Yes.
Install download.
Oh jeez, this OM just keying down.
I've done some travel on the West Coast.
Oh my god.
Download the disk image. Okay.
What is taking so? Oh.
If using Raspberry Pi, do not use advanced options to create a user. Okay, so
I think I'm gonna. Oh Jesus Christ, that's pissing me off. All right, let's move to a headset so that that's not just screaming. Headset. All right, where's the battery? There's the battery. There's. Hello. Turn on.
I'm here.
No, I'm trying to turn on my headset.
Oh. Disk image. So I'm not fond of Balena Etcher, so I think I will use Rufus. Who is trying to transmit? Is that you?
What?
Are you trying to transmit?
No, Nix is transmitting right now.
It's coming in really broken over RF. I didn't hear a word he said. She said.
Hey, monkey. You're on stream.
Meow meow.
Yep, I'm just letting you know.
Monkey.
I'm working on.
We both live in a single party consent state.
I know, but I always bring it up.
Monkey. It's the monkey man.
All right. Do we want
Who
to?
keeps trying to transmit on ops?
It's Nix on.
Nix is on ops.
Yeah, but yeah.
Let me guess. Either on Astro or Wave.
I think
yes,
Wave.
On one of the two.
So it's not coming across.
That's a bug.
DVM bridge is just shit.
Yeah, it is, but that's the best thing we got right now.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if you can't hear the audio, it's not.
Yeah, I mean,
True.
It's part of the reason why, like, I'm kind of glad my server is constantly angry.
It's almost not worth it if you can't hear the audio. It's better off just not even having it.
I know.
What still is? Oh. Why are we on fucking? That's why you're getting busied out, is because there's people on admin tac.
Really?
Wait, really?
Yeah, we got two on admin tac. Nix
Who?
and JSB.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if my keys are set up right.
What's going on over here?
Let's see.
Oh, that's a different zone.
Now I'm
You gotta for admin tech. You gotta have admin TAC keys.
I do.
Okay. I know you do,
some of
but
some of my keys are fucked up. I
Oh.
need a 0. So it turns out, at least on XLs, when you keyload it, it doesn't nuke the existing keys.
Oh.
Yeah. So I just need to zeroize it and rekey it from scratch.
Oh my god, I got to use the KVO 5000 today.
Oh, I bet that was fun.
Yeah, it's not
was.
behaving.
Thing was nice. It was so easy to use.
I can't wait till the thing that we know is coming eventually it comes.
Yeah, I know. I think I know you're talking about.
Yeah.
Wait, are you seriously using? Oh, you use PowerShell to SSH into your Pi.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on.
I do sometimes if I need to.
Oh, I need to swap my monitor back. Hold on. Because I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? And I was like, yeah, because I've only got one extra monitor, so I swap between the dispatch
Fucking
console.
Nerd on Pi Star.
No, what I'm trying to... No, it's not Pi Star, it's WPSD.
Actually, yeah,
It's a fork of Pi Star because
I know.
British dude threw a hissy fit.
I know.
I'm actually gonna try it out. I'm installing it right now.
It's not bad. But
it looks nice.
It's what I'm trying to do with it is it's a lot less locked down than Pi Star. What I'm going to be doing with it is if this looks familiar, I'm building DVM host on it, and I'm going to turn this hotspot into both DVM host and MMDVM. See if it can be done easily.
I don't think it can be done because
I've done it before.
One thing at a time can touch the hat.
I have 2 hats on this thing.
Is it a real Pi or is it like a 0?
It's a real Pi.
Okay.
It's a Pi 4.
Then.
It's a Pi 4.
I've got a 4 as well.
Actually, it should work. As long as they're touching separate resources and you have enough.
They are.
For both
Yeah.
Of them.
Yeah, they should. It should.
And
yeah, it's going to touch separate
the
resources.
Fact that even when I'm building DVM host, I've never used more than a gig of RAM on the Pi 4. It should work fine.
Yeah.
Oh wow, they're allowing fucking private calls now?
They've always allowed private calls.
Yeah, I've always.
Oh, that was no. Yeah, it was DMR Mark that banned private calls.
Yeah, Brandmeister allows it.
I'm not happy with some of the shit Brandmeister has been doing, though.
Neither am I, but
I have to use it because my club has a talk group on it. So.
Yeah, I have to use it because a lot of the people that I want to talk to, far away. So and
I only talk to you fuckers.
Well, I talk to some other people.
It's still pretty popular, despite.
Yeah, like I'm just. Yeah, and then that CAN6 FDB person is just keying down fucking DMR. And it's just like I'm watching my monitor flash at me because of fucking TDMA. Yeah, my monitor's backlight pulses a little bit when TDMA is doing its thing. It's disgusting.
I'm conflicted on whether I should mutilate my head to do the antenna whiskers, or if I should just build, since I have a Pi 02, if I should just build a 02 based hotspot using the baby hotspot boards with the patch antennas.
Yeah, do that. Do that.
Don't ruin your mask.
Yeah, don't fuck your head up, but I would say use the patch cables and use a 02. I've used a 02 with DVM host in the past. It sucks, but it works.
It's a fucking Pi 2.
Antenna whiskers
effectively what it
would be cool, but don't mess your head up.
But it would take a lot of work to get it to happen.
It'd be cool though.
Yeah, it would be. It would.
You don't
really
want to ruin your
cool.
thing, though.
No, I don't want to ruin it because if I fuck it up, my suit maker won't fix it for free.
Yeah. Yeah, all those private calls are to
Because
310999.
Faulty and Infield keep buying those ones with the ceramic patch antennas, and they're great for super close range.
Yeah, I just
Any of y'all ever use Shark RF open spot?
Nope.
I've got
It's
a I've got a friend that's getting an open
If all
spot.
you give a fuck about is Brandmeister and that stuff, they
No,
work
it does
great.
more than that. It does more than that. It does everything.
It's proprietary hardware. You can't flash other stuff to it.
You can't.
No, Shark RF open spot does Brandmeister TGIF, or you can put custom.
No. That's not what he was
you
saying.
You can't put DVM host on it.
Oh no, I was talking about ham stuff.
You can only run Pi-Star basically.
That sucks.
I mean, you might be able to run WPSD on it, but I don't know. Yeah, they don't have one for the Shark RF. They don't have a disk image for the Shark RF on WSPD.
They don't have a WPSD image for OpenSpot.
No. They have the generic Pi Nano Neo, and Orange Pi Zero, and then they have official custom-built images for like the Bridgecom SkyMax, which is a fucking standard hotspot.
I know. Yeah, the Bridgecom shit is just them.
Mega Zum Spot and Zum Spots.
I guess OpenSpot isn't as open as.
Yeah. So I mean, really, this is just a different flavor of MMDVM. Is all it is. Oh, they do have a book. They do have a bookworm fucking version, which I feel is kind of stupid because running a hotspot on a Pi 5 is fucking overkill.
Yeah, you don't really need it. Yeah, with a Pi 5, yeah, no.
And why the fuck does Bridgecom need an official custom-built WSPD image?
Because they probably have some kind of bullshit in there that
most likely because it's branded.
Yeah, and it's probably locked down so that hams can't do stupid shit.
On the dashboard, it'll instead of WPSD dashboard, it probably says Skybridge dashboard or some shit like that.
Yeah, more than likely.
Fucking logo, because they need to try and justify why they're charging you $500 for a $50 hotspot.
Wait, seriously?
Yes.
Because hams are stupid and they'll pay for
yes,
ease of use.
Will. Yep. Shop. Oh god, I hate their website. It's so fucking bad. It's on the Skybridge Max is on sale for $425.98.
Are you fucking kidding me?
$621.98. And it's only simplex.
Are you fucking kidding me? It just has a special little screen on it.
You can buy them with the screens too.
Are you kidding me? This is just a Raspberry Pi with a simplex hotspot.
That's the only one they have now. They used to have one that was like literally a bog standard Chinese hotspot with a Bridgecom logo on it.
This is straight up. This is straight up a fucking Raspberry Pi in a box.
Oh, and they'll charge you $150 to swap your case and board to the current Max version.
This is stupid. Bridgecom is just screwing hams.
I've never liked
They've been doing it the entire fucking time. It's just like they want $100 more than anybody else for the Anytone radios.
I've never liked Bridgecom.
You want $199 for a fucking Anytone DMR radio? I'll just.
That's the new baby one. That's only like $100 radio. it's on sale. It's normally $432. They want $335 for it.
I think you're paying for their code plug is what you're paying for.
You're paying for their supposed support, which anything you need to know about that radio is available online.
Yeah, but hams don't really do that. They just want to call a number.
Their shit is not aimed at us.
No.
It's aimed at the 65-year-old sad ham. I think they're even worse on the mobiles. How much do they want for the 578s? $585 or $485. Normal
I
price.
paid $350 for mine. I paid $350 for mine.
I paid $500 for a package of both the handheld and the mobile, and they were the top end ones with GPS and Bluetooth.
All right, waiting on this to fucking. Yeah, this is an iPod. Look. Oh, do I have my screen on? I don't have my camera on. Oh yeah, I do. No, I don't. Now I do. Hello? Oh, it's not gonna work.
It says it's thinking and then stop.
Oh, it's because I'm using it on my other streaming program.
Yeah, if you want to be able to use it on both, you need to run what's that fucking streaming software?
Streamlabs?
OBX?
Yeah, you gotta use OBS.
Oh, you gotta use that, okay.
If you want to be able to stream to multiple platforms at once, you have to use OBS.
I use something called XSplit. It works a lot better than OBS, at least for me.
Well, that's because OBS is extremely powerful, but it's not user-friendly.
No. Hey, Fingerdoodle. I know you can't talk, but hello.
Oh.
I actually can talk. I was just not coming up here and talking, so what's up?
Not much.
Well, you have to be invited. You actually have to be invited.
You have to be invited to talk.
Who started the event?
It just let me click speak on stage.
That's definitely not how it's supposed to be.
No.
So
I also have a stage moderator badge, so I think.
Hold on. Lurker. We do not want lurkers to manage the channel.
No.
Oh my god.
We do not want lurkers to mute members or move members. Save changes. You can.
There we go. Yeah, now I can't manage it.
Yeah, now you're not a stage moderator anymore. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, somebody fucked the permissions up.
Nice. What is state-mandated enrichment activity?
Oh, it's just a video game.
It's a play on words.
It was originally.
All of our regularly scheduled events have very memey names.
State-mandated game time. So are we playing games or what?
Yeah, that's what we'll be doing later. This is at 7.
5 my time.
Yeah, 7 Central. We'll be doing that. Right now, this is just kind of a talk showy little thing that I'm doing every so often, where I just come and answer questions. We answer questions. We get some of the staff to drop in, and we talk about radio.
Yep. Yeah, I found my old Pi 3B Plus, so I'm returning my $70 Pi 5 because I don't care.
Why not keep?
I got a Pi 4. I really like it.
Find a use for it.
I don't have another use for it. I had a Pi 3B Plus and it sat there for a decent amount of time doing nothing. So.
Well, you can find a use for it. How many hotspots do you have for the system? 2?
I'm gonna have a Pi and then a USB hat.
Okay, that's what I got.
Am I?
Are you a ham radio?
What if you want a second hotspot for the car?
I actually do. Am I allowed to have 2 sites?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're allowed to have as many sites as you want.
Okay.
Are you a ham radio?
So it used to be different when we were running zero tier, because that cost Nick's money. But on Netbird, we host the management server, so there's no cost.
Okay.
So we don't care anymore. You you could have fucking one in the car, one at home, one in your backpack, one at the office.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm leaving one at Max's house, and then I'm gonna keep one here at home since I'm on fringe coverage for the wide area system. Or until at least I get the Quantar hooked into the CCGW, then I'll just use that. Or actually, it's the Quantar into the DIU into the CCGW, I think.
I'd probably have to go to fucking AliExpress to find that fucking hotspot board I was talking about.
I just go to Amazon.
Yeah,
I'm looking on Amazon. They don't have the ones with the patch antennas. They only have the ones with SMAs.
Still building DVM host.
This it? I think this is it. Yes, it is. I found it. They're not. Availability's a little weird, but.
Oh, I could use my 7100 on D-Star. But why would I want to do that? It's fucking D-Star. D-Star sounds like shit.
So this is the kind of hotspot board I'm talking about. So those weird little rectangles.
Oh, yeah.
Those are antennas.
Oh, nice.
So it basically you just need enough space for the hotspot. And I can do that no matter what. And it's also the size of a 0.
Yeah, so you can just, yeah, that's actually really, yeah. That's really nice.